Hey guys, this is Tarun Kashyap from bloggingpal.com and welcome to yet another video of the WordPress series. And in today's video, I'm going to show you all how you can install, activate and completely customize the Rank Math SEO plugin for your WordPress website. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is a completely fresh WordPress installation which is hindi.bloggingpal.com. This is my new venture. I'm going to be sharing all of the Hindi tips to all the Hindi fellows, how you can customize your blog and etc., how they can learn blogging in Hindi. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install and activate and customize the Rank Math SEO plugin. So let's get this video started. So first of all, we have to install and activate this plugin Rank Math. So go to plugin search area and search for Rank Math. So this is the plugin that we need to install and activate this plugin. So after it's been installed, you have to do some settings. So click on Rank Math and go to dashboard and click on setup wizard, and this will take you here, and from here you can click on start wizard, and this will take you to this screen you are seeing on the screen right now. And from here you can select community and blog news site. If you have a blog that gives information to other people in the form of text, and if you have a normal blog, then you can select community blog. But if you have another site, another different kind of a site, then you can select your preference from here. Okay, but from now I'm selecting community blog news site, and I'm selecting educational organization because most of my blog posts are educational type of blog posts, so I will select educational organization. But you can select any of the things given here. Okay, but from now I'm selecting educational organization, and you can select your company name. So right now I will select Bloggingpal Hindi, and you can also select a logo for your website, but right now I don't want to do this. But if you have a logo for your website, then you can select a logo for your website from here. Okay, and default social share, I don't recommend doing this because I manually do all these things in the WordPress backend, so I don't recommend doing this from here. So click on save and continue, and it will ask to authorize your search console from here. So I have already authorized the search console for hindi.bloggingpal.com, so I will click on authorize. So we don't have a code right now, so get authentication code. I will click on this thing, and this will take to my search console account. So I will select the search console account that is connected with my account. So this is the account that is connected with hindi.bloggingpal.com search console account, so I will select this account. So click on allow, and copy this code from here and cut this window and paste the code here and click on authorize. So select the domain that you want to connect search console for. So hindi.bloggingpal.com is the correct account, so I will select it from here, and I will click on save and continue. And sitemap, don't do anything from here, all the things have been already done for us. So click on save and continue. And no index, empty category and tags archive. So yes, turn on this feature because we don't want to index categories and tags. And no follow external links, don't turn on this feature because we want to give external do follow links, and this can also affect our relationship with other websites. So don't turn on this feature. We want to give do follow links to other websites and increase our connection. And open external links in new tab, yes, we want to do this because if we don't turn on this feature, then external links will be opened in the same window, your website, and your bounce rate will increase. So don't turn off this feature, always turn on this feature and click on save and continue. And that's pretty much it. We don't need to do anything from here, and return to dashboard and click on dashboard. Under Rank Math, click on dashboard and turn on this feature 404 monitor, and turn on this feature link counter. It will count all of the links in your post and pages. And click on redirections, turn on redirections. This will help us to redirect all the broken links or the link that you want to redirect to some other link. And click on this thing, local SEO and Google knowledge graph. Turn on this feature and turn on this feature schema, And if you have a team of members that manage your website, then you can turn on this feature, role manager. But I don't have a team right now. I myself run this website, so I don't want to turn on this feature. Okay, so search console, we already authorized our search console before, so I don't need to do this again. So turn on this feature. SEO analysis, turn on this feature if you want to. Sitemap, so yeah, turn on this feature. So let's go to another setting, which is general settings. So in general settings, strip category base. So what this means is example.com, so we have category links on our website. Okay, so if you turn on this feature, the category links will be removed. The category will be removed and it will turn to my category. So we don't want to do this, so I usually turn this off. Redirect attachments, turn this on, and that's pretty much it. We don't need to do anything from here. Click on images, add missing alt. So I don't do this usually because I manually add alt tags for my images. So click on save changes. And for breadcrumbs, if you want to add breadcrumbs to your website, then you can enable this feature, but right now I don't want to enable the breadcrumbs because I will make a separate video for that if you want, but for now I'm not doing the breadcrumbs. Okay, so webmaster tools, come to webmaster tools. We already configured the Google Search Console. If you want, you can get the code and paste it here and click on save changes, but for now I'm not doing this thing. And click on robots.txt, edit robots.txt. So this is what you get by default. I don't have a robots.txt uploaded on my server, so this is what we get in default. So this is great that RankMath SEO plugin is providing a custom robots.txt. And click on edit htaccess. We don't need to do anything from here. Click on others, usage tracking, turn this off. Show SEO score, turn this off. We don't need to do anything from here. Okay, click on 404 monitor, simple. Also we don't need to do anything from here. And click on search console. You can deauthorize and authorize your search console from here. And click on save changes and click on redirections. We don't need to do anything from here. Okay, and click on save changes and come to title and meta description. Global meta, everything has been already done for us, so we don't need to do anything from here. Come to local SEO, click on organization because you are not a person. This is an organizational website, this is a community website, so click on organization and you can select a logo. Click on save changes and after that click on social media. And you can add your social pages URL like Facebook page URL and Facebook admin, Facebook app. You can add your Twitter profile URL. You can add your Twitter username and all of the different things that you can do from here. Okay, and come to home page. So here it's saying page. Remove this page from here and you can set your tagline etc from here. Okay, so this will show in Google search results. So here you can set your home page title, meta description and URL etc. Okay, not the URL, you can set your title and meta description for your home page from here. Okay, write the home page meta description that you want to show on Google search results, and that's pretty much it for this section. Click on save changes and come to authors. Author archives, yes, enabled. Yes, we don't want to index the author archive, so no index this thing. Click on no index and everything is pretty much done over here. Remove this page from here and click on save changes and click on missed pages. Data archives enabled and no index this thing also, and click on save changes. So come to posts. So I don't recommend doing this from here because every individual posts and pages that I publish on my website, I do it manually. I add the title, meta description and URL manually, so we don't need to do anything over here on posts and pages. Okay, so come to attachments. So no index this thing. Attachment shouldn't be indexed on the search engines. But if you want your Myriad files to be indexed in search engines, then you can disable this thing. You can untick this thing and click on save changes. And come to tags, no index this thing and click on save changes. Click on categories, category archive robots meta, click on custom and no index this thing and click on save changes, because we don't want to index categories and tags in search engines. That can lead to duplicate content on search engines and that can harm your SEO. So do this thing and click on sitemap settings. So everything is pretty much done over here. We don't need to do anything from here. So click on save changes. This is your sitemap URL. Click on 404 monitor. So right now this is a fresh WordPress installation, so we don't have any 404 pages, but if in case in future if your site gets old, your site will have a bunch of 404 errors. So what you can do from here is you can note all of the 404 pages and you can redirect all of the 404 pages to your home page. So this is a good feature I like about the Rank Math SEO plugin. So click on redirections. Redirections is a feature that you can redirect any URL, you can redirect any broken URL to your home page or any of the link on your website. So this is what we can do from redirections. If you want to add any redirection, you can click on add new. So this is the cool thing about Rank Math SEO plugin, that we don't need to add bunch of extra plugins to do extra features, okay, to do extra work for us. Rank Math SEO plugin has all of the things in it. So that's why people call it the ultimate SEO plugin. So come to Search Console. So here you can see all of the data of the Search Console. You can see the data of your Search Console from here, and Keyword Tracker is coming soon. It's not yet available to public. It's in testing. The team behind this Rank Math SEO plugin is working on this feature. So search analysis. You can see all of the data from here, okay, and click on SEO analysis. Click on start site-wide analysis, and this will analyze your website and this will tell you all of the different errors that you have on your website, okay. So right now it's in good standing. The score is 79, but if you see any errors, you can always watch the errors and you can always rectify all of the errors from here, and click on setup and tools. So this is setup and tools area. We don't need to do anything from here. Just click on this thing, turn on this feature, auto update this plugin. So this will auto update your plugin. You don't need to come to your dashboard and always have to, update your plugin. This WordPress will automatically update your plugin. So click on save changes. And also one thing I forgot to tell you, that this import and export feature, if you have a website that's already running the Rank Math SEO plugin, you can export the settings, all of the settings of that website to this website using the import and export feature. Click on help and support. If you face any problem while configuring the Rank Math SEO plugin, then you can always take help of this guide. This guide will help you to set up your Rank Math SEO plugin. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Rank Math SEO plugin setup. So if you enjoyed this video, please share this video with your friends. So thank you guys for watching.